everything. And now, we are about to see her as a grown-up lady. A lady with a good heart, character, and great ambition. And tonight, I would like to invite you to listen as I narrate to you a little background about our debutante's life. Maestro, slide background music. In a land not so far away, there was once a little girl with the beauty of an angel. She was born on the 9th day of July, year 2005, under the zodiac sign of Cancer at Barangay Banogbog, Santa Cruz, Marinduque. This girl is the eldest of Mr. Izagani Rebeliosa and Mrs. Tezi Fajardo Rebeliosa. Stephanie has a younger sister named Teresa Rebeliosa. Her friends often call her Pani. She finished her kindergarten and elementary level at Banogbog Elementary School and currently is studying at Matalaba National High School. Okay, and is about to finish senior high school. When she was a little girl, she had so much interest in everything, most especially when it comes to her future career. At first, she doesn't know what she really wants to be, since she's still young back then. But when she reached her teenage, she realized what she really wants to be, and this is to be a successful woman, and of course, to have a successful life. She has no doubt that it will come in the near future because she believes that aside from her very supportive family and relatives, our Almighty God in heaven is always with her. And she also believes that with Him, nothing is impossible. This girl grew up with so much love and kindness. She is loved by everybody for her beauty inside and out. Her voice is an angel. Her smile bears no limit. Her heart is unafraid. Her mind is ready to try. She is ready for any adventure for the sake of fun and friendship. More refined than shy. More adventurous than playful. More charismatic than charming. More alluring than beautiful. Indeed, she has all grown up, and what a sight she has become. At this moment, may I ask everyone to stand and join me as we welcome together the family of our lovely debutante. Let us all welcome her younger sister, Teresa F. Rebeliosa. Let us all welcome Teresa F. Rebeliosa. The key persons behind the making of this joyous affair possible. Her lovely parents, Mr. and Mrs. Izagani and Tezi Rebeliosa.
Okay.
A round of applause for them. Together as we welcome the main reason why we are all gathered here tonight and the main highlight of this celebration. Ladies and gentlemen, let us all welcome our dazzling lady of tonight, the debutante, Miss Stephanie Fajardo Rebeliosa. Let us give her a warm round of applause.
Oh, sexy.
Once again, our debutante, Miss Stephanie Fajardo Rebeliosa. And to formally start today's celebration, may we all rise for a prayer to be led by Mrs. Merly Fajardo Rodas. Let us first give this moment to the person who made this a success. From the planning, for the food, without this person, this event would not be possible. May we call in the proud father of our debutant, Mr. Isagani Rebeliosa, to welcome us all tonight. Let us give him a warm round of applause.
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Sa aking mga tagapagsalita. Medyo po ako kinakapang po ngayon. Wala pang tagay ay. Salamat po sa mga dumalo sa aking birthday ng aking anak. Sa mga kaibigan. Sa mga pinsan. Mga bayo ko. Mga bilas. Sa inyong lahat po, maraming salamat po sa dumalo. Lalo na sa aking anak. Happy birthday. Yan po.
And so, thank you very much, Mr. Isagani Rebeliosa, for your wonderful message. So, kahit medyo maiksi, ay nandun naman yung kanyang nais iparating. Okay? So now, to present the circle of important person in Stephanie's life, let us now have the 18 lights or candles. So the 18 lights signify the important person in Stephanie's life who will guide, support, and light up her way to the right path. Of course, first on our list, okay, so first in our list is none other than her lovely mother, Mama Tezzy Rebeliosa. A round of applause, please.
Stephanie, happy 18th birthday. Sana ay matupad mo ang iyong mga pangarap sa buhay at sana ay maging responsableng ate kay Teresa. At sana ay maging mabuting anak ka rin sa amin. Mabuting anak ka. At sana ay hindi ka muna mag-asawa at ipagpatuloy mong matupad pa ang iyong mga pangarap. Muli ay isang magandang at masayang karawan sa iyo. More birthdays to come.
Ayan. So, thank you very much, Mother Tezzy Rebeliosa. Ayan. Okay. Next, her lovely sister, Teresa Rebeliosa. Palakpakan naman po dyan.
Happy birthday, ate. Sana masaya ka may birthday more and sana more birthdays to come.
Ayan. So, thank you very much, Teresa Rebeliosa. Okay, next, we have Jessica Rebeliosa. Okay, maya-maya daw po ng konti. At medyo meron tayong technical